Good evening, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Catherine, and I prepared a few stretches for you tonight to help you relax before bed. So all you need is a comfortable place to spread out, and we're going to begin there on our backs. So coming to lay on your back, you can draw both knees into your chest to start, and we're just going to begin by making some really gentle circles, exploring our range of motion, and inviting our low back to release a little bit here. So often we don't just hold tension in our body internally, but also physically as well. And as a result of holding in the two places, often we can release one by releasing the other. That's why we feel really relaxed often when we do exercises like this. Switching directions, please. Going at whatever pace supports you. Exploring that motion. If you can, see if you can slow it down slightly, being present in the moment. Maybe you inhale as you draw your knees towards you. Exhale as they move away. Taking a few more deep breaths here. On your next inhale, hug your knees in nice and tight, and you can rock your body side to side, massaging your spine, your shoulders, the base of your skull. Just moving however feels good and supportive for you. Extending your left leg down, pulling your right knee up. You can take a few little massages in that right hip, lotioning up that joint, and switching directions. Continuing to breathe deeply if you can, so inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. Allow that right leg to fall open gently to the side, kickstanding with your right arm to provide support, allowing that inner thigh and hip muscles to relax. Taking some nice deep breaths here. Inhaling fully, you can feel your chest rise. And as you exhale, imagine everything softening. Again, inhale, your chest lifts. And as you exhale, everything softens. On your next inhale, encourage that right knee to center, giving it a squeeze before switching to your left side, pulling that left knee up nice and tight towards you. Taking a few circles in the one direction, lotioning that left hip joint. And switching directions. Inhale, pull that knee nice and tight. As you exhale, allow your left leg to fall open slightly to the side, kickstanding with that left arm in order that your inner thigh and hip muscles can relax, knowing that they're supported in this position. Breathing deeply here. Inhale, imagine your chest lifting as it's pulled up by a string. And as you exhale, everything in your body softens. Again, inhale, chest rises. And exhale, allowing your body to soften. Going one more time, inhale deeply. And exhale. On your next inhale, draw your knee back to center, hugging it tightly towards you before releasing it down to the ground. Place both feet on your mat, walking them nice and wide, allowing your knees to fall side to side for a windshield wiper movement. This allows not only low back release, but also internal and external rotation in our hips. Again, going at what pace supports you. Maybe your breath finds synchronicity with this movement, and you inhale And exhale with each movement of your legs. Taking a few more of these here. Continuing to breathe deeply. On your next inhale, walk those feet back to center. Take a few moments here before you pull those knees into your chest, again rocking side to side. Pressing your left shoulder to the ground, allow your knees to fall gently to the right, feeling that twist or that space that's being created in your spine. If it's available to you, feel free to wing your arms out to the side. Breathing deeply here, feeling your body soften. If you'd like to bring the stretch a bit lower into your back, feel free to lengthen your legs a bit. If you want it more in your upper back, you can draw your knees up more towards your chest. And play with the direction that your head's turned. See what both sides feel like, if one has more sensation than the other. When you're ready, inhale deeply, draw your knees back to center. Taking a few side to side motions. Before you press your right shoulder down to the ground, allow your knees to fall towards the left. Again, feel free to wing your arms out to the side if you have the space that allows. Keeping in mind that you can control where it's felt in your spine here by extending your legs to bring the stretch lower, or drawing your knees up to bring the sensation more into your upper back. Playing with which way your head is turned here. Maybe one side you get more sensation or feels more supportive. Just exploring what it's like to look both ways in this moment. Drawing back to a deep and full breath. Inhale fully. And exhale. Again, inhaling and exhaling. One more time here. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. On your next inhale, draw your knees back to center, giving them a squeeze. If you'd like, you can come up for an optional happy baby, grabbing your toes inside or outside of your feet. Or if that's not available to you today, feeling free to grab behind your knees, pulling your knees towards your armpits. Taking a bit of movement here, if that feels supportive. Continuing to breathe deeply. When you're ready, you can bring your knees in for one more squeeze. And spreading out to your final resting position, feeling free to stay here. Thanks for joining me tonight, you guys. I hope you have a great sleep. See you again soon. Bye.